Broker Dan, nagbayad na kasi ako ng reservation fee. Kaso nabigla yata ako eh. Parang ayoko nang ituloy. Mababawi ko pa ba yung reservation fee ko?
Define muna natin, ano ba yung reservation fee? Reservation fee is the initial amount na binabayad mo sa developer to reserve yung unit na gusto mo. Once reserved, hindi na siya pwedeng ibenta sa iba ng developer and hindi ka na rin affected ng future price increases. In your case, mukhang nabigla ka lang. Siguro magaling yung agent mo or probably may hinahabol kang promo or paubos na yung unit na gusto mo. Sa amin kasi as brokers, we always remind our buyers to reserve only kapag gustong-gusto na talaga nila yung unit and only if fit siya both dun sa needs and budget nung buyer. And to answer your question, unfortunately, reservation fee is non-refundable. Hindi mo na mababawi yung binayad mo to reserve the unit. Now, if you decide to proceed with your reservation, after 30 days, magsisimula na yung monthly DP. Discuss natin yan in a future video. By the way, I'm Broker Dan, licensed real estate broker and co-founder of Bahay Central Realty. 20 years na kami sa real estate and it's our mission na tulungan kang makahanap ng tamang bahay for your family.